Thinking Tools video time again. Okay, look, we've got the number path game here again. Look, what else can you do with it? We've actually had one video already about this, and we just did like the adding subtracting thing. Look, basically now we're moving sort of like in the direction of some type of yeah, well, Scrabble scoring, I suppose, in a way, but you know, numeric. So once again, this will be the first player going. What they're going to try and do with forming their lines is they're going to try and get the highest score possible. Any player can, if they form 3 in a row, well, obviously you take it in turns to do something. Let's just sort of have this. When you form a line, and here we do have a line, you can insert an imaginary multiplication and an imaginary addition sign anywhere you like along that line. In this case, to get the highest score, you've got to put the multiplication sign here. 7 times 4, 28 plus 1, 29. So, whoever put this one in here, well, they've got 29 as their score. Okay, so let's start it properly, do the whole thing properly, and see how we go. There we go, we've got a 9 there. Realistically, if you're the first player, you don't really want to form 2 in a row. So the first player can put their piece anywhere, really, and there we go, there's a 4 there. Second player does not want to put their piece in any of those 3 positions there, because if they do, or there for that matter actually, on any of these lines here, because if you do, you're allowing your opponent to actually get a score. We don't want that. Okay, so this player will put their 7 over here. Now it doesn't form a line. You actually can't form a line here using that. But if you go here, you can actually form 2 lines. But I'm not sure you want to do that either. It's going to get tricky here because this player is basically saying, I don't want to form a line anywhere, let alone 2. I suppose you put a 1 here, it doesn't really give your opponent that much to work with, does it? Because the 1's in the middle, so the 1's going to get multiplied by something if you put a 1 here. So, look, it's up to, as to how you go with it. I'm not going to necessarily tell you the best strategy, but so far there's no scores on the board. But that's about to change. I think, what have you got there? We've got a 1, well that's not very valuable to us. We might throw a 6 here and get the score here. And what's the score going to be? 6 plus 4 is 10. So, player 2 has got a score now of 10. Player 1 can get a massive score now. They can put a 9 here. And they can get 63 plus that 6 gives you 6. Actually, it's a 9 there. 63 plus 6, 69. So they've suddenly gone into the lead. And so on like this. Now, this player over here is actually going to form a 3 in a row through the middle here, and so on. So it's going to start getting exciting like that. After each player has put 3 of theirs on the board, we'll end there, because it reaches the point where you're putting too many lines and it just becomes ridiculous. So they've got 3 on the board, they've got 69, so this is going to be the last move for player 2. They didn't get a big score the first time. They got, what did they get? 6 plus 4. They got 10, so they'll do a bit better this time. So 9 times 5 is 45, 49. Add that to their 10, it's 59. What was this? This was 69, so it's a defeat. Okay, so there we have it. And you only use 3 out of your 5 pieces that you've actually allocated, that you've actually, randomly chosen. Okay. Alright, well, there's more games you can play with it as well, but that'll be enough for today. Anthony Fitzgerald for Thinking Tools. Okay, website www.thinkingtools.com.au. Okay, check it out, and we'll see you next time. Okay.